What day is it?
It's like day, I don't know,
10, day 10,
as
something.
you guys can see that the asbestos test came back and we don't have asbestos, so we saw on there that if you spray the popcorn with water, let it sit for a few minutes, it should come off in sheets, and that seems to be legit. So we are getting the popcorn, and it's actually pretty easy.
Making a huge...
Don't worry about this raggedy ladder.
Yeah, this ladder was from the Civil War. It's an antique.
This ladder was gifted to us by the old owner, so we're taking full advantage of it.
Might need to wet that area a little more.
Yeah.
Nope.
Let's see where I'm. Oh, that's so much fun.
Is it?
It's pretty satisfying.
Well, about 1,600 square foot of that. We'll talk about it again.
Yeah, my shoulder's gonna be burning, but right now, I'm just glad it's coming on.
Yeah, we just hope that the ceiling is smooth and flat underneath. Is
So
going to
we're
be.
just using straight water.
Yeah.
Nothing else, and it seems to be getting the job done. So we're gonna do this for about a month.
True.
But we do have all the trim off.
Oh God, yes. We got a lot of repair work. So okay, that's what we're gonna do.
This is where we're at. All right, we are on day 10 of our not knowing what we're doing renovation. And we did get this ceiling all done yesterday. So, I mean, it's not perfect. I've still got to go through and get a couple of spots, but it's looking pretty good. We started working on the second bedroom, and then we decided we should probably get a little safer with what we're doing. So today we took the ceiling fan down and capped off the wire so we could get there without having to worry about getting everything wet. We're finally retiring the dinosaur. We did get this nifty little step ladder here to do the job. It's got all these places for your tools. So we got a couple different projects going today. I'm gonna work on the ceiling. Amanda is finally working on sanding and patching the walls, which is gonna be a lot of that. And at some point in time today, we gotta get the grass cut. So that's what we're doing. We got another room done. So when I say done, I just mean the popcorn's down. I know there's still some stuff that I've got to work on to get it ready. But all in all, pretty nice ceiling. We were kind of worried that there'd be all kind of imperfections or something, you know, you read about stuff. So it's crazy. So we got one more bedroom. We got obviously the hallway, kitchen, hallway, living room, dining room. So I also wanted to say, after wearing those safety glasses, for all you people who had to wear your mask during COVID that wear glasses regularly, I feel sorry for you. Okay, so I think we're on day 12. We've started to finish the ceilings. I still have popcorn left in the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. But we're gonna try to get the ceiling sanded and then get some cleanup done today because it's just filthy. You can see there's gonna be a lot of sanding. We bought this thing here, which may be a great product, but I could not use it. My shoulders were torn up after like 20 seconds of it. So we got a screen sander. So these are supposed to be pretty good. So we're gonna hit that up today and hopefully we can get these ceilings knocked out. Okay, so as of right now, the house is winning. The tool that we bought is not working. The only advice that I can give anyone that is removing popcorn is make sure you remove all of the popcorn because it doesn't want to sand off. So we're having to go back through and basically we're back to step one. We're back to resanding, or I'm re-scraping the ceilings. We just talked about hiring somebody to come do it, but we're about, at this point, I would say $200 in tools to try to get this done. But we're gonna keep going though. Okay, it was a long day and a day that almost said bus a couple times, but we did get the ceilings done. They're patched. We haven't sanded them yet, but they are properly cleaned off. And we did sand this one, so this one looks really good. So this one's actually ready to be primered. And then we did also do some cleanup because it was just time to clean up. But we got the hallway patched, the master bedroom and the office patched, ready. We'll come back, probably take tomorrow off. So we'll come back Tuesday, sand this, sand everything, and then we will get started with the rest of the house because as you can see, still a lot of popcorn to go. But we're getting there. Didn't defeat me today. It probably will defeat us before it's all over, but not today.